back. Before I had my YouTube channel, I made this Stormbreaker, and so I never was able to actually make a video on it, and I didn't think it would be worthwhile to make a video just showing it, because it doesn't really help you build it. But now that I have it, I thought maybe what I could do is I could do a video of me painting it, and kind of fixing up parts that I thought didn't look as good. So in order to paint it, I'm going to have to take off all the vines. And I think these are not thick enough, they don't look good, so I'm going to redo all that. There's some parts like this that bob a little bit, and like things that maybe will fix like that, so let's get into this. Okay, so as you can see, I've taken off all of those sticks. Oh, actually, there's a little piece right there, but that's fine. I'll deal with that later. So, looks nice. Couple things I want to fix up, as I said before. So I'm going to do all that. Then I'm going to have to go aside, get myself thicker vines, or like ones that are soft enough that I can kind of braid them, because I want more thicker vines in there. And then I'm going to paint it and then put all the vines on, and then it'll look really cool. Okay, so as you can see, I finished painting this, the silvers and the grays and all that, and now I just have to paint this handle brown. Even though it is already brown, I want to actually paint it. Okay, so I've just painted the handle of this, as you can see. Not too much different from what it was before, but it's more of a uniform color. There was some different shades of the cardboard. I think it looks better now. I just step over here for a second. Oh goodness, okay, so I grabbed, ow, choked myself, but I grabbed vines from outside, and I think I'm going to plan out how I'm going to wrap it all around and glue it out, glue them all down, and see how I think it looks. done, which is amazing. But the last thing I need to do that is not amazing is clean up the table. So that's why I'm going to do this. And just like that, it's all cleaned up. So let's just zoom in real quick and take a closer look at the whole thing. So I personally think it looks really cool. I can pick it up for you here, so I can hold it up a little higher. See all different parts. So I'm not going to talk about anything about the actual building of the hammer itself, because like I said, this is something I already built. I'll just talk about, I guess the painting doesn't really need to be talked about, so it's really just all the vines. So these are vines. I went outside and cut them down. Let's see, from here, it was like a cluster of 3 or 4 maybe, all woven together, so I wrapped that around like this. And then at this end, it kind of ended in this. It looks like the way I wove other ones in, like all these other ones are really just woven in, so like they're not actually part of it, but I wanted to make it look like it comes up and it branches out, when really it kind of comes up and wraps around only one part, but it looks cool like this. So you can kind of like weave ones in. As you can see, there's all these ones coming out that don't really, if you look at here how many there are here, it doesn't really add up, because like you can see in certain spots there's like ends kind of hidden from ones I wove in. Then there's of course there's stuff at the end. I think it looks really awesome. Super pleased with it. I guess I could say I hope you make it yourself, but since I don't have templates, I guess maybe you won't. But even if you don't build it, I hope you did still enjoy, and I'll see you next time.